Welcome to Beae tutorial. In today's video, we'll walk you through 3 essential steps to enhance your Shopify store with the powerful Quickview feature. The Quickview feature in Beae streamlines the shopping experience by offering a convenient overview of your product details directly from the current page. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also speeds up their purchasing decisions by minimizing unnecessary page navigation. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also speeds up their purchasing decisions by minimizing unnecessary page navigation. Let's begin by heading to your Shopify dashboard. From there, select Apps and open the Beae landing page builder. In this section, we'll focus on 2 main tasks: creating a product Quickview in Beae and assigning it to your product grid. Let's kick off with the first task, creating a Quickview in Beae. Start by selecting Add New from the Beae app dashboard. Then click on Quickview from the page type options at the top of the pop-up. Here, you can choose to either create a blank section or use a pre-built template. For this tutorial, I'll click Add Blank Section so we can build it from scratch. In the Beae editor, a blank section will appear for you to edit. This section is based on a grid container, allowing you to add basic blocks easily. You can build any type of content with this Quickview layout. Think of it like a template that you would normally build in Beae, but with a key difference. It's designed to be triggered by actions like clicking a button, and it will display in a pop-up format. You can click Change Layout to import layouts from the available library, giving you the flexibility to create diverse content depending on your design and products. Now, let's begin creating the sections that will display the product information when a customer clicks on Quickview. First, hover over the section and click on the gear icon to adjust the settings. I'll set the section base to Featured Product, which will serve as the foundation for our Quickview. As you can see in the Structure Navigator, we have the flexibility to add various blocks from the Beae app. I'll start by adding the product image. I simply click Add Block, scroll down, and select the Gallery block. Next, I'll add another column to divide the Quickview into 2 distinct parts. In this newly created column, I'll incorporate the essential blocks like the product title, price, variants, description, and more, ensuring that all crucial product details are readily available to the customer. After completing the design, I like to check the mobile view to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied with the layout, it's time to save the template. A settings pop-up will appear where you can finalize the details. First, under the General tab, give your template a name, something memorable for easy access later. Next, head over to the Pop-up Settings tab. Here, you can customize the appearance of your Quickview pop-up, including its location on the screen and the width. I'll set mine to appear in the center with a width of 1200 pixels. Once everything is set, I'll go ahead and save, then publish the template. Now that we've successfully published the template, the next step is to set it as the default template to ensure it's used consistently across your store. From the editor, click the icon in the top left corner to open the Page Types panel. Navigate to the template we just created, click on the 3 dots icon, and select Make Default. Now that we've successfully published our Quickview template and set it as the default, let's move on to applying it within a template where it can be displayed. I'll open the Page Types panel and select the page type I want to create. You can completely choose your available template without creating a new one. Here, I'll choose to create a new homepage. When the template library pop-up appears, I'll pick a template from the available options for the homepage and import it into the editor. Next, I'll scroll down to the Featured Collection section. The featured collection is designed to showcase a curated selection of products on your store's homepage, highlighting key items that you want to draw attention to. Most featured collection templates have been pre-built with a Quick View button. When you hover over a product card, the Quick View button will appear automatically. Isn't that great? I'll go ahead and save and publish this template so we can see the results in action. And there it is, looking sharp. Let's hover over one of these products and the Quick View button is right where it should be. Let's click it and boom, perfect. Our Quick View is popping up just as expected, showcasing all the product details beautifully. Everything's working flawlessly. Mission accomplished. This is going to make shopping on your store even smoother and more fun for your customers. Great job, and thanks for following along. If you're wondering how to build a featured collection section from scratch instead of using a pre-built template, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the process. Within the editor, I'm going to add a new section. After adding, I'll hover over the section and click on the Advanced icon. A pop-up will appear, showing that the current section base is set to Grid Container. If we keep it as is, you won't be able to add the Quick View button block to call and display the Quick View template. This block only appears and functions within specific section bases, including Featured Collection, Recommendation Product, and Recently Viewed Product. I'll select Featured Collection, and then click on Add Block to include the blocks I want to display, like product images, titles, prices, and most importantly, the Quick View button. After adding the blocks and tweaking the style and typography to match our brand, I'm going to preview the section to see how it looks. This preview mode is perfect. It lets us check everything without affecting the live site since these changes aren't official yet. Let's scroll down and check out the new section we just created. Ah, there it is. Now I'm going to test a few actions to make sure everything is working smoothly. And fantastic. It's working perfectly. Remember, with featured collections, there are countless ways to design and build something truly stunning, so feel free to get creative. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide. Thank you so much for following along. We hope this tutorial has empowered you to create stunning Quick View sections using Beae. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us via live chat. Happy building, and we'll see you in the next video.